we go again.
I demand more!
Yesterday was an awesome day on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we made it to Cedric and Sarah's amazing house. We're at their place right here. Check this out. What up, buddy?
What up?
What do you know?
What do I know? Not a whole lot.
Say something in Kituba or Lingala or something.
I could say muy bueno.
Anyway, we got the crash here, camped on their lawn, and they gave me a room because I got my voice lost. What up, Steve?
Morning.
It's a little chillier today, a little more overcast. We're going to have a blast continuing on down the Blue Ridge Parkway. See you soon. So tell me a little bit about your farm.
Well, we're a small family farm, but we try to do it. We're all animals, though.
You're an animal?
Yeah, we're all animals. Well, we are animals, so we're based on rotational grazing.
And you just happened to be here.
Yep.
Because I was coming, right?
Oh, yeah, because Chris was coming. The whole world revolves around Chris. You know, if he's going to come, everyone's got to meet him.
Chris, tell everybody who these people are.
Well, so I grew up in the Congo with these guys, and Cedric and his wife have this farm, and you were just flying in from
Chicago.
Spain.
Well, I was in Spain on vacation and came in from Paris.
What were you doing in Spain?
I walked part of the Camino de Santiago. Yeah, 300 miles.
Pretty amazing.
Oh, yeah. No, so we order them, and they come in the mail.
A day old?
A day old. They're in these little boxes, you can see. If we can keep our soil really healthy, keep sequestering that carbon, it really changes the nutritional and the taste of the animals. It goes right into the fat, and then makes a huge difference how healthy they are for you. So, and then the house, this guy gets moved every day with a tractor. It's on runners, and you just hook up the chains to it with the tractor, and we just move that.
So that way they're always fertilizing a different part of the lawn.
Hey, that's part of it. There's so many different factors, but that's a huge part of it. So whatever's going on here, they develop the microbes biome inside the stomach to handle the proper stuff here. That actually sends messages back to the soil, and it's just this communication that's going on. Right?
Okay.
So, and when you get all that pasture in them and all the bugs and sunshine, that yolk gets totally changes the nutritional value of the yolk. It gets really bright orange, got the chlorophyll in it, and extremely healthy for you. And they also love being under the rabbits. They go through all the manure, they go through all the grass and bugs, and they just love it under here.
Oh.
Are you on my Instagram? I've been posting lots of worm pictures because there's just worms everywhere. We layer it, right? So if you grow corn in this area, you grow corn, and that's it. Then you might put a cover crop, or you might do whatever, but that corn, that was your crop, and you say, oh, I got all this much, out of 1 acre, this many bushels or whatever, but you've put in all these, you put in all this fertilizer, you put all these inputs, you put all this stuff, and that was your crop, right? I'm just constantly, I've already ran sheep through here, I've ran the hens, these guys went through here, I'm going to run the sheep through here pretty soon again, like it's just laying, and then, we'll get some more chickens on there, we might, and just kind of keep layering so it gets used over and over and over again. And then we can reach in here and just grab the eggs from out here. It's still warm.
Well, we're back on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it is beautiful. In spite of the overcast skies, it's just still lush and green and gorgeous. I have to say I'm a huge fan of hot-wired heated gear. I've tried a couple of different brands and a couple of different products from them. The hot-wired vest is a lot more compact if you want something that's really small to carry with you. It'll just heat your core, but your arms are going to still get a little cold. So I have a hot-wired jacket, and I love it. How was it this morning?
Cold.
We're at Mabry Mill, the most photographed spot on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Really?
That's what the sign said.
Hey, check this out. I found some wildlife.
I gotta live with this guy.
There's the mill. Let's go ride. Steve and I ate really healthy. We had salads and very little dressing. And then here's what Scott got for his
Hi.
What's the size of that lemon bar? How do you
It is bigger than my hands.
But see, you know,
I'm just having iced tea. Unsweetened.
I'm just having water. Steve and I are not. We are not eating that. We're just having water. Oh boy, we really scored. We stopped in at the deli at the Gap. It was fantastic. Had an awesome little meal, and now we're ready to take on part 2. And the sun is finally out. Everybody getting all suited up. Yeah, we're gonna head down towards the Virginia North Carolina state line. Stop, take a rest, and then head into Boone, grab some coffee to warm up, and then figure out where we're gonna stay tonight. Well, we stopped for a little lunch break at the Gap Deli on the Blue Ridge, and it was delicious, man. Fresh, tasty food. Awesome dessert, gave us a little sugar high, and then best part was we came out from having lunch and the sky had opened up and the sun was shining. Unbelievable. It's like a totally different day than it was this morning. Oh my gosh, that is just amazing. Look at that view. I tell you, all the daily drudgery, all the doubts and troubles life can throw your way just get evaporated when you look out and see a scene like that while riding on a beautiful sunny day like this.